Eleutherococcus sentacoccus, or Siberian ginseng, is a herby shrub in the same family as Chinese ginseng. The herb is used for many health benefits. It can increase endurance and mental performance in patients who have mild fatigue and weakness. Siberian ginseng can improve the overall health and the function of the cardiovascular system, and this includes lowering blood pressure, increasing circulation, and decreasing the overall cholesterol. Although it helps to increase the blood flow to certain parts of the body, it also widens the blood vessels so that more blood can flow with less strain on the arteries and the vessels. It also helps to decrease and balance cholesterol. The regular use of Siberian ginseng helps to stimulate the body's immune system, and this can help to prevent and treat viruses, infections, and diseases. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, the Siberian ginseng, when taken with Androphilis, can help to reduce the strength and the duration of the common cold. It's also helpful to alleviate flu symptoms. Siberian ginseng is popular for stimulating and fortifying the body. It helps to boost energy levels in people with persistent tiredness. Those who are recovering from illness or who are weary from heavy work can also benefit from the energy boosting and immune enhancing powers of the herb. Siberian ginseng not only detoxifies the liver, removing harmful toxins from radiation exposure, especially after chemotherapy treatment, but it helps in lessening the side effects of chemotherapy. It's also useful in bone marrow suppression after the exposure to radiation or to chemotherapy. By supporting healthy uterine function, the Siberian ginseng can be useful in preventing female infertility. Males may experience an increased sperm count. Animal studies show the herb can even boost testosterone levels and help to reverse certain causes of male impotence. There's also evidence that the regular use of Eleutherococcus can help to regulate blood sugar levels, reducing your glucose and insulin levels and preventing diabetic shock from occurring. Siberian ginseng can positively affect the hormone levels and tone the large uterine muscles. These properties make it potentially valuable for easing certain menstrual difficulties and menopausal symptoms. Alzheimer's, or the gradual degradation of memory, can be painful and an impossible situation as we grow old. The Siberian ginseng helps to eliminate many of the free radicals that build up in the brain and cause the plaque to form. This can help to keep the neural pathways clear, improving memory retention and recall and slowing or stopping the development of Alzheimer's disease. Traditionally, the Chinese have found Siberian ginseng to be effective in suppressing colds and flu. Interestingly, a Russian research of 13,000 auto workers who took Siberian ginseng one winter showed the participants developed 40% fewer respiratory tract infections than they had in the previous years. If you suffer from any kind of inflammatory disease like osteoarthritis or gout, the Siberian ginseng can be beneficial. In a recent research, the herb considerably improved flexibility and functionality of joints, while also reducing the complaints of the overall pain in the affected areas. Siberian ginseng is popular for its anti-stress capability. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, the plant is supposed to strengthen the body's ability to cope with stress. It might also prevent stress-related medical conditions like heartburn, upset stomach, and tension headaches. Since the herb helps to enhance calmness, some participants claim to achieve an improved quality of life. People who struggle with mild or occasional anxiety, nervousness, or hyperactivity might also benefit from these stress-reducing properties. In Ayurvedic medicine, Siberian ginseng is used for bladder cancer, altitude sickness, and hyperthyroidism. It's also used to treat colon cancer, for high creatinine levels, bone infection, and as an aphrodisiac. It encourages the resistance to stress, so it's now widely used as a tonic in times of stress and pressure. The plant is commonly used as a folk treatment in China and Russia, as a ginseng substitute. The regular use is said to restore vigor, improve memory, and increase longevity. The roots and the bark are an adaptogen, an anti-inflammatory, hypoglycemic, a tonic, and a vasodilator. It's taken internally during convalescence and in the treatment of menopause problems, geriatric debility, and physical and mental stress. It can also be used to combat radiation sickness and exposure to toxic chemicals. It's used for headaches, infection, gastrointestinal issues, and sterility. Products should consistently contain 0.8% eleuterocide, the active ingredient. For stress, 100 to 200 milligrams 3 times per day is traditionally taken. For fatigue, female infertility, Alzheimer's disease, fibromyalgia, and the majority of the other conditions, 100 to 300 milligrams is taken twice a day for 60 to 90 days. Then a 7-day break is taken before resuming treatment. For male infertility and impotence, 100 to 300 milligrams should be taken twice per day. For infertility, the Eleutherococcus ginseng should be rotated every 3 weeks with Panax ginseng. Other doses for Alzheimer's disease, 100 to 200 milligrams 3 times per day. For arthritis, 100 to 200 milligrams twice a day. For back pain, 200 milligrams twice a day. For chronic fatigue, 400 milligrams every morning. For flu, 300 milligrams twice a day for 7 days. It should be avoided during pregnancy. It's not suitable for children. A high dose may cause drowsiness, anxiety, irritability, and even uterine bleeding. Patients with high blood pressure or hypotension should avoid using the Siberian ginseng. The herb shouldn't be used for more than 3 weeks without a break. It's not recommended for people who are taking oral antidiabetic drugs, warfarin, heparin, or aspirin. Menstruating women should avoid taking the herb. Women with a history of estrogen-sensitive cancers or uterine fibroids should consult a doctor before use. The herb should not be mixed with caffeine. Individuals who've been diagnosed with bipolar disorder should avoid the supplement because there's a risk it can increase the severity and the frequency of the manic episodes. People with breast or prostate cancer and other hormone-sensitive conditions should avoid using Siberian ginseng. An overdose of Siberian ginseng can lead to high blood pressure. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.